It's Margie with the Asking Spot. Remember for Halloween I used a frame for decor? Well, that $5 garage sale find is about to become Christmas decor. Now I'm putting the branches technically upside down, but I actually liked the sage color or the blue-green rather than the yellowier green. But really, I think that's more of a personal preference. So if you like the yellowier green, I'm sure that's a word, go ahead and flip them the other way. Other than that, it's pretty simple. I just then went through with different lengths of string. Yeah, do be careful though. I mean, if you end up cutting them too small, you waste more time and it gets a little frustrating. But periodically, I just tied them on a double knot and did it maybe every 10 inches or a foot or so. Wasn't that many. It was just wherever I had some joints of it. And yeah, in the end, I did go back and prune some of the branches because, I got some of the dead stuff off. But all in all, this is about as simple as making a wreath gets. Well, there we have it. It was a little too heavy to put on the regular 3M 5-pound thing that I had where I hung up for Halloween. But I've been meaning to put something up here so that I could have regular artwork on this part of the wall anyway outside. So I'm off to the hardware store to get that. I might string some beads on there, but you get the idea. This is pretty easy to do. Not to mention the branches, they're free at any place that sells live Christmas trees because they got loads of them. And then at the end of the holiday season, poof, they're off to the compost heap. They're perfect, they're great. So it's really just a cheap and easy thing to do, and you certainly don't have to do it on a massive frame like I did. Do it on a much more manageable frame, and then you could hang it with a 3M anywhere, and you could also hang it in your house too. Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot. Please subscribe.